We're all loaded up, going on the first camping trip of 2025 with the brand new Nova. Got both of the girls with me, Midnight. Cora's back here in the back seat. We are heading up to Payson to go up to the Mogollon Rim. I have a couple buddies that are already up there. They got there last night, picked a good camping spot, at least that's what they tell me. And we are now heading up. Gonna go meet up with them and spend some time up in the forest. All right, so made it up to camp, and it's a little bit chillier than I was thinking it was gonna be. I thought it was supposed to be like a high of like 60 today. I think it's currently in the 40s. And another thing I wasn't expecting until I got here, there's this white stuff all over the ground. It'll definitely be a good chance to test out the new tent. Hopefully that thing is nice and cool tonight, but we will see. Well, we have the tent all set up. I haven't done anything on the inside yet. Need to get that set up. I need to get the air mattress inflated. And hopefully it'll be a nice comfy night in here tonight with me and the doggos. So I'm out here with my buddies Troy and Shawn. They went to go collect some wood somewhere out there. So Troy is the owner of Saucy Taco. There's gonna be a install video I'm doing on this truck. That'll be coming to the channel sometime soon. I'm not sure when that'll be going up, but we're gonna be installing something on Troy's truck. So we got Troy over here with the Overland Vehicle Systems Rooftop Tent. If you've seen videos on my channel before, then you should be familiar with the Blueberry Taco, my buddy Shawn's truck. We installed an aux beam switch controller on Shawn's truck, and it is now back for a second feature here on the YouTube channel. Shawn just has a bed tent. I've been telling Shawn that he needs to get a rooftop tent for this truck because he's been building this thing and it is starting to become a really awesome build. One thing he's missing though is that tent setup. So I recently got the new tent up on top of the truck. One reason why I wanted to come out and do this camp trip to test that out, but another reason is just a good old camping trip with the boys and some good weather here in Arizona before things start heating up. Troy and Shawn came up here last night and they messaged me and said when they first got to camp, it started snowing. And then I get up here to camp today, and the first thing I see when I'm rolling into the campsite area, there's snow in patches on the ground. I really hope the Nova does a good job at keeping me warm. Gonna put that to the test. I'm not a big fan of cold weather camping, but I'm hoping that thing will keep me nice and warm, because if this tent can do a really good job at keeping me insulated and warm, maybe I'll be a bigger fan of cold camping and I'll go out and do some more. But when I first got here, I cooked up a little bit of lunch. We made some brats. And tonight, Troy is supposed to be cooking up dinner. Troy is making the boys a nice steak dinner. I'm excited for that one. So it's in Arizona. It's gonna be up north of Phoenix. It's in between Payson and Heber, if you're familiar with that at all. But my favorite part about the Mogollon Rim is the views, and the camp spot that Shawn and Troy picked out is probably one of the best camp spots I've personally ever been to. Hopefully the camera does it justice, but this view is amazing to just be camping, like right here on the edge of a cliff and overlooking this entire valley. It's honestly crazy because we're just feet away. Nice little campsite here, got a fire going, and right behind us, you can just see the whole entire valley out here, and it's just hills and hills of pine trees. It's amazing, I love it. I love being up here. If you're enjoying the video so far, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button. It just helps this video be more successful. And this is also my first time kind of doing like an adventure style video, not really like an install like I typically do. So if you like it, you don't like it, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the adventure style video. Is this something I should continue to do? We're all bundled up for the night. We are in the tent. I got the puppies cuddled up with me here, and it's 34 degrees. It's been a little windy, so it's been quite chilly. Like I had mentioned earlier, a little chillier than I was expecting. So far, now that we're in the tent, obviously all the windows are closed up, nice and sealed. There's no breeze or wind coming in here, so it is definitely much warmer in the tent than it was outside. Even though we had a fire going, that was nice, toasty and warm. It's a little past midnight. So I think I'm gonna call it a night and head to bed. I'll catch up with you guys in the morning, and hopefully I can get a good night's sleep here in the first night sleeping in the Nova. So I was pretty chilly last night. Like I mentioned when I was going to bed, it was low 30s. It stayed warmer in the tent than I expected. It was a little chilly, but I didn't have as many layers as I probably should have, so fault on my part. The comfort of the mattress in this thing, normally like out camping and stuff, I have like soreness and like, you know, lower back or shoulders or something like that. Absolutely no soreness. My toes were a little cold, so it was more just kind of like a cold thing. It was like low 30s. We had like 20-mile-an-hour winds, so should have had multiple blankets. I literally had one nice fuzzy comforter, and yeah, stayed warm enough to at least sleep through the night. So now that we are awake, we got blue skies. The weather has calmed down. The wind has died down a lot, so it's still a little chilly now, but it's bearable because the wind has calmed down. And the boys are starting to pack up right now. Got Troy over there packing up his tent, working on cooking up breakfast for everybody. And as soon as we eat, I think Troy's gonna head out. Me and Shawn are probably gonna hang out for a little bit, sit around the fire, and enjoy the rest of the day before we have to head out and go home. All loaded up. Troy took off a little early. He had some things he had to get out to, so Troy's gone. Me and Shawn just finished packing up, and we are rolling out of camp. This is one of my favorite places to stay. I just love the views, love the weather, the fresh air. I love being in the pine trees. I think the tent was awesome. Obviously way better than a floor tent, but even like the last rooftop tent I had a rugged ridge tent, which is a tent that's made by Real Truck. It's still pretty pricey, but a little bit more on the budget side. And this one is definitely a little bit more of a premium tent. It was super nice. I failed on my end as far as a lack of having layers. I was wearing clothing layers, and that obviously helped. Free Spirit Recreation makes a comforter set, and they have like fluffy fleece on them. So I used that comforter, and then obviously 2 of the pillows with the fleece covers on them. And that was pretty much all I had. So I had just laying on the air mattress, and then I had that one comforter, and then all the layers I'm wearing. So temperature was a little less than ideal. I always gotta go through the mud puddles. Woo! Toes were a little cold, even though I had 3 layers of socks on. But if I would've had maybe like another 2 blankets to kind of layer up there and keep some of that heat in, I would have slept a lot cozier. I would have been nice and toasty. But the tent itself, triple layer insulated, I think that helped a lot because it was definitely low 30s. It might have gotten below 30, I'm not sure. So without that layering and insulation of the tent, I think I would have been much, much colder if I was not sleeping in that exact tent. It was an absolute awesome camping trip though. Getting to come up here to Payson, being up in the pines in Arizona, it was a real nice getaway. It's been needed. Gonna go head back down to the Phoenix area. Gonna go visit some family, gonna go see mom, do some dinner. Mom's birthday's coming up soon, so we gotta celebrate that. I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you enjoyed it, do me a huge favor. Drop a thumbs up down below. It helps this video be more successful, to get seen by people just like yourself. If you have any questions for me, any questions about my truck or my camping setup, whatever you want to ask, drop a comment down below. I do my best to reply to every comment that's left on my videos. If this is your first time seeing one of my videos, or maybe you've watched a couple but you haven't subscribed to the channel, now's your chance to hit that subscribe button so you will be able to see anytime I post future content on my channel. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you on the next video.